Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with another quick tip on how to figure out the Lydian mode. So the Lydian mode is the fourth mode of the major scale. But if you listen to it, it sounds kind of like a major scale. In fact, there's only one note that's different. It's the fourth note. In a Lydian mode, the fourth note is raised up a half step compared to a major. What you have to do is play your major scale. So let's say we'll do A Lydian. So we'll start with A major. And to convert that into an A Lydian, I would raise the fourth note a half step. So I get this. Pretty simple. So this works for all the patterns that you already know. No need to memorize brand new patterns. Just you need to remember that if you wanted to play a Lydian, you would play a major with a raised fourth.